Hi there. Maybe you feel stuck in your daily routine and you're struggling to find clarity and purpose in your life. Maybe you just feel like you're going through the motions and your current life feels a little bit like a jacket that you've outgrown that feels uncomfortable to be in. What if I told you there is a simple practice that could change all of that in just 1 week? If we're meeting for the first time, beautiful souls, my name is Jennifer Joy Jimenez. I am a transformational life coach and a wellness expert. And my mission is to empower change agents like you to live vibrant, joyful, abundant lives by embracing transformative practices. And today, I am thrilled to share one of the most powerful tools that I have in my toolkit. Now, journaling might seem simple, but when done with intention, it can be a gateway to profound self-discovery and absolute life transformation. I've witnessed its magic in my own life personally and in the lives of thousands of the beautiful lives that I have the absolute honor and privilege of supporting and coaching. And I'm here to guide you through a very specific 5-step journaling practice that's not only effective, but it is truly life transformational. And it only takes a few minutes. This does not have to take a lot of time because I know if you're like me, you're juggling and spinning a ton of plates. You don't have a lot of time. So trust me when I say, if you just have a few minutes, this can work for you. Now, let me share a quick story about one of my favorite clients. Her name is Maria. Now, Maria was feeling extremely overwhelmed by life's challenges. She was unsure of her direction when she came to me, and she was really feeling disconnected from her own needs. She was putting everybody else's needs in front of her own. When we started, really, I just wanted to support her incorporating just a few simple transformative practices that would really help to start steering her in the direction of her soul self. So she started to incorporating this journaling practice in her own routines, just a few minutes in the evening. And the shift was absolutely incredible. Within just 1 week, Maria found clarity. She began making decisions aligned with her true self, and she started to embrace life with a newfound joy. So let's dive into this. Just a few minutes for you. You could start this evening a 5-step transformational evening journaling practice. Step number 1. So all you don't even need a journal. You could just have a blank piece of paper. You could go to your printer and grab a piece of paper. Of course, if you do have a journal, use that. Open up to a brand new page. Step number 1 is to start with gratitude. You want to begin your entry by listing at least one thing that you are grateful for today. You can, of course, add more than that, but if you're keeping this at just a few minutes, just starting with one gratitude sets a positive tone and shifts the focus to abundance. The second is to reflect on your day. What would you like to write about in your day's experiences? I like to write at least one high moment from my day and one low moment, one moment that was maybe a beautiful spiritual teacher for me today, a challenge maybe that I faced. The third step is to set some intentions for the day to come. Clearly articulate your intentions for the next day. What do you want to achieve tomorrow? How do you want to feel? This creates a roadmap in advance for your day to come tomorrow. The fourth is begin to visualize your success. Spend a few minutes towards the end of your journaling practice, just visualizing yourself fulfilling your intentions. What does it look like? And more importantly, what does it feel like? And then write, I'm so happy and grateful now that I have achieved XYZ, and I'm feeling, and then write down what you are feeling. And then the fifth step is some affirmations, and with a few personal affirmations that resonate with your vision, your dreams, your goals, and your aspirations. This reinforces the self-belief, really programming your subconscious mind to believe that you are the beautiful soul doing the work, achieving the success, creating the results that you would really love, and ends your day with powerful inspiration and motivation. Now, many will say in the world of quantum physics that it's what we're focusing our mind as soon as we start going to sleep that actually sets the tone for all of the results that we will create the next day. So this powerful 5-step journaling practice can be absolutely life-changing for you. So to recap, this 5-step evening journaling practice is a blend of gratitude, reflection, intention setting, visualization, and affirmations. It is a holistic approach that touches on many aspects of your well-being, setting the stage for profound shifts in your life if you're willing to commit to it for just a few minutes a night for 1 full week. Now, if you're ready to embark on this 7-day transformational journey, I encourage you to start tonight. Track this over the course of the next 7 days and see where this absolutely takes you. And if you're looking for even more guidance, tools, and support on your path to a vibrant and joyful life, make sure to subscribe to this channel, share this journaling experience and insights in the comments below. Let's grow this community of brave souls together. And remember, your journey to a more fulfilling life is just 1 page away. So start writing your new chapter today.